Hello, this is Brian Rowley, your favorite Toastmaster, and these are the instructions for the word of the day. So I'm guessing that either the grammarian or the grammarian or the table topics master of the day could put the word in a place where people could see it during table topics. So here's how I would do that. And I've written steps here, so let's go find our word of the day first. So here is an agenda. The word of the day and this day was obligation. So I copy that text here, obligation, copy text. All right, so now I'm going to go open a word processor or text. You can do it right here with text. So if I paste that in, I probably, for my needs, I probably put it in caps. And then what you have to do is learn how to create a screenshot. So I'll show you how that's done. So screen, oops. So again, screenshot is, you can hold down your shift, your Windows key, shift, Windows key, and S. So if I hold down those three keys, it's going to change my screen. I don't know if you'll see this or not. Do you? Maybe you don't. You don't see it. Okay. Well, that's how you start the screen, and I'll show you the rest of it. Screenshot, and then what you need to do after you click this is draw a box around the word. Like this to center. Okay, so I'm going to do that again, Shift, Windows, S, and then time. Alright, so I'll show you what I have when I get there. Okay, so now I have a screenshot, and screenshot looks like this. Not much, but we can use that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to edit this. I'm going to crop it a little bit more, but just to show you I can work with this screenshot and where it goes. You can actually save it as we did before to the desktop, and just call it WOTD. Okay, so we know there's going to be something on my desktop called obligation WOTD. And make sure that's the correct desktop. Here we go, desktop. Okay, so I'm going to save that there. And now it'll tell me where I can find it when I get to the next step. Alright, so you type it in and you make sure you have some space around it. So that's why I have to go blank lines here. Alright, so put a couple blank lines. That's what I meant by space around it. Take a screenshot. I did that. And then I put it on the desktop. So ordinarily you have to go here and find it, but trust me, I saved it to the desktop. So we have to be logged into the Zoom, which means here. When you come into Zoom, you might see login at the top of the screen if you aren't logged in. So I am already logged in, which means I'm ready to go for the next step. And so if I want to right click here, I think edit profile picture is here near the bottom. And then I can change the picture by going to my desktop where I stored this one. So somewhere here is a word called obligation. If I open that, see how it shows up here? It's a little blurry, but that's okay. You can open that. So you kind of put it in the middle and then try to center it to the best of your ability. So you're moving the word, not the box. Okay, so saving that. So now when I go off camera, if I shut off my camera here, right here, and there's the word of the day. So that's how that works. And then, of course, if I were going to be table topics or grammarian, I might even change my name. So if I change my name, I can just put it right here. Obligation. Whoops. Like that. Change. Okay, so now you would see that here if we had more people here, you'd see that right there on my name is going to say that word of the day will be there. If I go off camera, it's hard to miss. All right, that's how that's done. So I hope I didn't drive too fast or skip any steps. Let's go back to the steps and use the slider tool to be sure it fits in this. So you want to move it around once you get it in that little square. Click save. And when you turn off the video, you'll see the word of the day there. So that's that. I'm done with this, and I think we are done with Zoom now. And I'll take you back to the instructions one more time. So I'm just going to copy all of this and put it in the email that I'm going to send to you. And I'll put it in the description of the YouTube video that I just created with this process. All right? Have a good evening.